How do proofs without words simplify geometric theorems? Imagine looking at a picture and instantly understanding why a math statement is true. That's what proofs without words do in geometry. They turn complex ideas into simple images. Instead of long explanations, you see shapes fitting together or angles adding up right before your eyes. These visual clues make it easier to grasp what the theorem says. In Euclidean geometry, many theorems describe how shapes and angles relate. Usually, proving these involves writing lots of steps with symbols and words. But proofs without words skip all that. They show a diagram where the relationships are obvious. For example, a picture might display how the areas of two shapes are equal by rearranging parts, or it might show how angles in a polygon add up to a certain number. Using visual reasoning helps us see the truth directly. When shapes are placed or overlapped in a specific way, the proof becomes clear without needing to explain every step. It's like a puzzle that solves itself just by looking. This reduces mental effort because you don't have to remember complicated formulas or follow long logical chains. Instead, you just observe and understand. Proofs without words also encourage us to explore. When we see a diagram, we can mentally move parts around or imagine how the shapes relate. This active engagement makes the theorems stick in our minds better. They highlight key properties like symmetry or congruence, which are fundamental in geometry. Seeing these properties visually makes them easier to understand and remember. Take the Pythagorean theorem as an example. A proof without words might show squares built on each side of a right triangle. The diagram visually demonstrates how the areas relate, making the proof immediate. Or imagine a circle with inscribed angles that add up to a straight line. The picture alone makes the relationship clear. These visual proofs are especially helpful for learners. They serve as a first step before formal, written proofs. Students can see why a theorem is true without getting lost in symbols. This builds a strong geometric sense and makes learning more fun. While proofs without words don't replace detailed formal proofs, they make the world of geometry more accessible. They turn abstract ideas into concrete images, helping everyone understand shapes, angles, triangles, circles, and polygons more easily. So, next time you see a diagram that shows a theorem, remember it's not just a picture. It's a quick, clear way to understand why the theorem holds true.